Do you find that Easter is a drain on your budget? No matter how you celebrate Easter, I'm sure it has to do with Easter baskets, and therefore you have to fill them with stuff. Hi, I'm Tammy. My husband Barry and I have worked with kids and families for over 25 years, and we hope that our helps and hacks have been beneficial to your family. We want to talk to you today about how you can fill an Easter basket without it being a drain on your budget. No matter how old your kids are, they always have needs and wants. So basically, we try to fill their wants a little bit with their favorite candy and Easter eggs and put them in their baskets. The next thing we try to do is sit down and say, what do our kids really need or are requesting? Whether that be a new pair of shoes or a pair of sandals, or whether that be a swimming suit. For many years, our kids would grow when they get into those 2T, 3T, and they'd always outgrow their swimming suits. So we took advantage of them needing a swimming suit and filling it in their Easter baskets. So we filled the need put in their Easter basket. Last year, my daughter really wanted these great pairs of sandals. I didn't want to just go out and buy the sandals. I just kind of waited till Easter came. And my husband and I bought them and put them in her basket. My son wanted a video game. We didn't just go out and buy it. We waited and bought it and put it in his Easter basket. We still wanted to spoil our kids a little bit and give them what they wanted, but we waited for an opportunity to do that. As your kids get older, when they're little, it's a lot easier to fill their baskets and not as expensive, which is great. But as they get older, it's a little more tricky. So I wanted to give you a few ideas. One, a surefire great way is gift cards. Kids and adults in general love gift cards. So no matter what your budget allows you to spend, you can always get a gift card. They love gum, their own personalized, their favorite gum. Movie tickets are another great way for kids that are getting older, and even college kids, to put in their Easter basket. And or one of their favorite games. And like we did the swimming suits, we've done shoes, tennis shoes. We've done a pass to the summer park, the water park, because you know they're gonna wanna go to the water park. So why not put that in their basket? That's a great way to bless them, and it's gonna be used that summer. And it saves you from buying it in June. So if you can plan a little bit ahead, you can meet needs while you fill their baskets, and that's very helpful on your budget. We want to hear from you. If you have great ways to fill an Easter basket, please comment below. My husband and I, as well as everyone listening, would love more ideas than just the Smiths have. That way we can share and be more of a community. And if you love our videos, we would love and encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube videos by hitting the bell. That way you never miss one of our videos. Please share this too, because we really want others to hear this and to share their ideas too. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you in advance for your input. Until next time, have a great day and have fun celebrating Easter on your budget.
You really do make a difference, and you help us get the word out as we join families with practical helps and hacks. Check out our other videos, and always remember to be intentional with your family. They deserve your best. You can find Family with Purpose on Facebook, Instagram, and Family Purpose on Twitter. Come check us out and say hi.